Hey my crafty friends, it's me again and I'm back with another tutorial. This is the one that shows you how to make the marquee letters. So start off with your foam board. I get mine from Walmart. I got my print from Walgreens. It's a 24 by 36 as I mentioned in the other tutorial where I designed it, and I'm just sticking it to the board. Okay, now boom, we ready to cut. You're just going to cut around the edges. I use an X-Acto knife. Make sure it's sharp. The sharper the X-Acto knife, the better the cuts. Make sure to cut as close to the edges as possible. And then voila, we have it all cut out. Now put that bad boy to the side and get out another piece of foam board. At the bottom of the foam board, I'm going to make little marks at the 5-inch mark. I was going to start cutting and then I remembered, let me get my pencil and draw me some straight lines. That way I can actually cut it straight, because it doesn't matter if I use my yardstick or not. I'm just not going to cut it straight. And so the pencil just helps to keep it straight. And then I just cut the foam board all the way through. Cut the foam board all the way through until you have your strips. These are the strips that you're going to use to make the edges of your marquee number. Marquee number, marquee letter. I keep mixing them up, but y'all get the point. Now what I'm doing now is I'm scoring my foam board, which means I'm not cutting deeply. I'm lightly cutting. Now for this first one, I did use a ruler and it took me way too long. Now I'm just folding back where I scored it. I didn't cut it all the way through, so when I scored it, now, as you can see, I have like an accordion style. It's going to be able to go around the curves of the letter. I almost said number again, because again, you can't do this with a number or a letter. Now you got your edges, so line it up and see how it's going to fit. And then break out that hot glue gun and get to work. So I'm gluing down the side and then I'm applying it. And then I just glue and apply, glue and apply, glue and apply. Ooh, I can't talk, y'all. Apply. I also will flip it over and glue a little bit on the back as needed. You just have to eyeball it and glue it and hold it until it dries, which if you know with hot glue, it's not going to take that long. And then here I am doing some reinforcement on the back. I did end up using another foam board that I don't think I recorded myself cutting. But for this particular project, I used 4 pieces of foam board. Now, as I finish it up, I will say because this was an S, it did not stand on its own. So I made a little stand at the bottom. That didn't work. So I don't recommend. You figure out how you're going to get your curvy letters and numbers to stand. But when they have a square edge on the bottom, they stand just fine. And once you're done gluing, voila, you have a marquee letter or number.